Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is a single ladies collab that happens twice a month. And we also use our liquid eyeshadows, our single eyeshadows, our pressed glitters, whatever the case may be that we normally use a lot of and we seem to forget in our collection. And see what we can come up with by using our single ladies. So before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this content. If you will be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. Okay. My idea is into the fall looks because fall is coming, which I'm very excited about. But we're gonna use the Profusion's liquid eyeshadow duo. It comes with a matte eyeshadow plus the glitter shimmer, and this is the shade Lychee or Lychee, whatever you pronounce that word. And also, I'm gonna play with the Harvest palette, which is a beautiful palette, which I do like. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty nicely. I think I used this maybe twice already. It's okay. That one up like is very pigmented, as you can see. So we're just gonna go and just on the lid. I'm just gonna use this as a eyeshadow base. But I am going to use that glitter shimmer. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Yes, I did not use a primer because I feel like this really doesn't need a primer. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's the Everbee. It's a beauty makeup. Okay. I'm gonna use the shimmer side of it. Hmm. Okay. I like this already. I'm going to keep it the way it is right now on the eyes. But I'm going to finish up my makeup and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay. So this is the finished look. Very simple, easy to do, what you love doing, and perfect for fall. I think this is such a beautiful look. I love reds. Reds are like my favorite colors to work with during the fall season or even Valentine's look, but this is a more like a fall season look anyway for me, which I do like. Of course, all the products will be down below if you want to see what I use on my face, on my lips, so on and so forth. I do have affiliate links if you want to help this channel out. Be greatly appreciated. But yeah, of course, like I said before, there will be a playlist so you can check out the other ladies and see what they come up with, which I'm so, always excited. They always get me out of my comfort zone, which I do love. Oh, I love getting out of my comfort so much as I can. But yeah, hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.